5 habits to help you reach your 800 plus credit score. Are you aiming to achieve an impressive 800 plus credit score in the future? Many dream of it, but only a few manage to reach that top tier financial milestone. Life might not always teach us how to succeed, but one of the easiest ways to get there is by learning from those who've already achieved this feat. Managing your finances effectively is an achievement in itself. A clear vision and a practical plan are necessary to prevent yourself from falling into debt. So, wouldn't it make sense to adopt the habits of people with excellent credit scores? While having a good credit score doesn't necessarily mean you're wealthy, it does mean you're doing something right financially. Let's look at the habits that have helped individuals maintain an impressive throughout their lives. Pay your bills on time, all of them. One of the most critical factors in determining your credit score is your payment history. Lenders want to see that you can be trusted to make timely payments on your debts. This includes not just credit cards and loans but also utility bills, rent, and any other financial obligations. Set up reminders or automate payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Don't hit your credit limit. Your credit utilization ratio, or the amount of credit you are using compared to your total credit limit, is another significant factor in your credit score. It's recommended to keep your credit card balances well below your credit limits. Ideally, aim to use only 30% or less of your available credit. This demonstrates responsible credit management and can positively impact your score. Only spend what you can afford. Spending within your means is a fundamental financial principle. To avoid accumulating debt, make a budget that outlines your income and expenses. Stick to this budget to ensure you're not overspending. Avoid impulse purchases and prioritize saving for future needs and emergencies. Don't apply for every credit card. Each time you apply for a new credit card, a hard inquiry is made on your credit report. Multiple hard inquiries can lower your credit score. Apply for new credit only when you genuinely need it, such as for a mortgage or car loan. Be selective in your applications, and consider the timing to minimize the impact on your credit score. Have a credit history. Having no credit history can be as detrimental as having a poor one. To build a strong credit history, you need credit accounts. If you're just starting out, consider getting a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on someone else's account. Responsible use of credit over time will help you establish a positive credit history. What is benefits of 800 credit score? Now that we've discussed these 5 essential habits, let's explore why aiming for an 800 plus credit score is worth the effort. Here are some significant benefits. Lower interest rates. Lenders offer their best interest rates to borrowers with excellent credit scores. Credit cards and loans can be significantly reduced by doing this. Better loan options. With a high credit score, you'll have access to a wider range of loan products, including those with more favorable terms. Easier approval. Landlords, insurers, and even potential employers may check your credit. A high score can make these processes smoother. Financial confidence. Knowing you have excellent credit provides peace of mind and financial security. Maintaining your high credit score. Achieving an 800 plus credit score is an accomplishment, but it's essential to maintain it. Here are some additional tips. Check credit scores and credit reports regularly. Monitor your credit regularly for errors or signs of identity theft. Pay your repayments in full and in time. Continue making timely payments on all your obligations. Apply for new credit only when you need it. Be cautious about opening new credit accounts. Don't overuse available credit. Keep your credit utilization low. Maintaining strong and stable credit histories. Focus on long-term credit management. Keep your credit utilization in check. Aim for that ideal 30% utilization rate. Budgeting. Stick to your budget to ensure responsible spending. Diversify your credit. Consider different types of credit accounts to diversify your credit mix. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Make these habits a part of your financial routine. In conclusion, in the journey to achieving and maintaining an 800 plus credit score, the key is discipline and responsible financial behavior. These behaviors not only improve your credit score but also give you possibilities and financial security that will help you for the rest of your life. Make good credit a habit, and watch your financial future prosper. Take control of your financial peace today. Are debt collectors causing you stress and harassment? Don't face this alone. With Single Debts expertise, you can get the help you need. Our experienced team can assist in ceasing harassment from these agents and handle the legal side for you. Contact us now at +91 961 910 3594 to discuss your situation and regain your peace of mind. We're here to support you every step of the way. Don't wait. Fill out the form on our homepage or visit our contact page to get started on your path to financial freedom. Your journey to a debt-free life begins with a single step. Reach out today.